Hello dear students, today we are going to do some theorems, theorem 6.6 from the triangle exercise 6.4, areas of similar triangle. So what is the statement of this? First we look here, theorem 6.6 is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. मैंने कोई दो अगर ट्राइंगल दिया हुआ है और कंडीशन इज गिवन कि दो ट्राइंगल जो है ये सिमिलर है, चेक वन सेकंड थ्योरम, द रेशियो ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, दो जो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल जो है ये रेशियो मीन्स एरिया ऑफ ABC बाई एरिया ऑफ PQR इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. That means AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR square, AC by PR square. We have to prove this. So let's prove this. It is the theorem. What is given here? Two similar triangles given. Two triangles ABC and PQR such that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. ये दोनों सिमिलर है. These things are given in the statement. Statement है, we are going to prove this. गिवन टू ट्राइंगल्स ABC एक बना दिया और PQR बना दिया, और कंडीशन क्या है, ABC और PQR के सिमिलर है. देन वी नीड टू प्रूव, व्हाट इज टू प्रूव? रेशियो मीन्स सपोज वी आर टेकिंग AB बाई करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड इज PQ. रेशियो मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवीजन, और इसका लेंगे क्या चीज, स्क्वायर. रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इक्वल टू AB. रेशियो मीन्स टू ट्राइंगल्स का रेशियो इन द डिवीजन फॉर्म. AB का करस्पॉन्डिंग हो गया PQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस BC बाई दिस QR, इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग ये हो गया स्क्वायर इक्वल टू. नाउ थर्ड साइड इज दिस AC, 3 बार लिख दिया, AC करस्पॉन्डिंग PR. ये चीज हमको प्रूव करना है. रेशियो मीन्स डिवीजन फॉर्म, टू ट्राइंगल्स, फर्स्ट ABC सेकेंड PQR इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो. ये रेशियो हो गया, एक ऊपर एक नीचे, इसका स्क्वायर. वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस. सो वी नो दैट थिंग. सो टू फाइंड दिस एरिया, हिंट इज गिवन हियर, टू फाइंड द एरिया वी नीड हाइट. लाइक दैट वी पुट वन हियर height AM, we can set its altitude, yeah, perpendicular, its name is N. So we do some construction, draw two altitudes, otherwise we can write perpendiculars, ALTITU, AM and PN of ट्राइंगल्स. दो ट्राइंगल्स में क्या हमने ड्रा किया, एक AM परपेंडिकुलर टू BC, अदरवाइज वी कैन से इट इज एल्टीट्यूड AM एंड इट इज PN. सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ triangle ABC, generally we can write ABC, this means triangle area of PQR and you know that the formula 1 by 2 base into height, and here also 1 by 2 base into height equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. In the triangle ABC, what is the base? Base means base and height, altitude. Where is the altitude stand? That is the base, and it is height. So BC is the base and this perpendicular is altitude AM. By for the second triangle, QR is the base and what is stand there? PN. PN is the perpendicular altitude. So BC into AM by QR into PN. So it is equation number 1. Now see here, hint is given here. In these three sides, AB by PQ, BC by Q, which things are getting here? We have BC by QR. I mean we are getting this. हम लोग BC by QR हम लोगों को यहाँ हिंट मिल रहा है, और ये होना चाहिए स्क्वायर. It must be square. So if AM by PN comes BC by QR, so BC into BC becomes BC square, QR into QR, QR square. So we try to find this AM by PN is equal to BC by QR. We try to find this. So to find this, what we do, we write two triangles here, ABM, this and this PQN. In triangles ABM and triangle PQN, PQN, these two triangles. So we can write B is equal to Q to make the similar. B is equal to Q because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. इसके चल दोनों similar है, that means all angles are equal. So B is equal to Q. And other thing is this, it is 90 and this also it was 90. It is also 90. So we can write angle M is equal to angle N. Each is equal to 90 degree. Then we can say triangle AB, this triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN by AA similarity. Because due to two angles equal, we can write this. So if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. It is the thesis of this theorem. This corresponding sides means, suppose we are taking here AB, so corresponding side is PQ equal to this AM by this corresponding PN. It is BM, this corresponding Q1. But let's see here, we don't need this third side, so we ignore this. No need to write, इसको नहीं लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ से this equation number 2, check 1 and 2. Actually we need BC by QR, but we have got here AB by PQ. To get BC by QR, what we do next? So we write also triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, already given here. This thing, what we can write? If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. AB by PQ, this BC by QR, third AC by PR. We know this thing. This number 3. So So we have got equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 3 we get 1 and 3. Now see 1 is area of triangle ABC by area of PQR equal to, we have this PC into AM by यहाँ दिया है QR into PN. तो 1 और 3 से क्या मिलेगा? It is 1 and it is 3. This BC by QR is written AB by PQ, otherwise AC by PR. So this BC by QR is written AB by PQ. AB by PQ into this AM by PN. Now we can use this 2. So I am erasing this. अब क्या लिखेंगे? Now area of ABC by area PQR is equal to this AB by PQ into this AM by PN. Now see here, AM by PN is AB by PQ. AB by PQ, it is getting from 2, equation 2. Therefore area of ABC by area of PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square. AB into AB, AB square, PQ into PQ, PQ square. See once again this AM by PN, इक्वेशन 2 में AM by PN के प्लेस में क्या दिया? AB by PQ, इसी को यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया. Then using equation number 3 from equation 3, AB equation number 3 is PQ, and we can use this name of this, it is 4. From equation 3 and 4 we get area of ABC by area of PQR equal to this AB by PQ whole square. Using 3, equation number 3 is AB by PQ. AB by PQ, also we can write BC by QR. BC by QR. Power is square, we can write power is 2 equal to, and again BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Hence proved. यही प्रूव करना था. रेशियो ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, एरिया ऑफ ABC by PQR, AB करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? This in the same ratio, AB by PQ, it is AB corresponding side PQ, AB by PQ square, ratio means divide, BC का corresponding QR, AC corresponding PR. So it has been proved. So students, scene number 1, question number 1 is, it is based on this theorem 6.6, and see this question. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square, 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. So first you make two triangle ABC, another is DEF. Areas means this area is given 64 centimeter square, it is area, and this triangle having area 121 centimeter square, this area. So first we try to make the similar these two triangles. But it is already similar. This given triangle ABC, both are similar. Triangle DEF. So what becomes if two triangles are similar? We can write area of this ABC by area of DEF equal to, just we have studied the theorem, if it is AB, corresponding is DE whole square, BC by this EF square. Now third is AC by this third is DF whole square. But what we need here, हम लोगों को क्या चाहिए? हम लोगों को चाहिए EF and BC. EF and BC. So here is EF and BC. So we ignore this. No need to write this. So we have, जो साइड दिया रहेगा उसी को हम यहाँ पर लेंगे. एरिया ऑफ DEF BC by EF whole square. What is ABC? Area of ABC is given here 64. DEF is 121. BC is to find out, and EF is 15.4. This is square. अब देखो अगर यहाँ स्क्वायर है, so try to make this also whole square. So how to make this? 64 is the square of 8, 121 is the square of 11. 8 का स्क्वायर 64 होता है, 11 का स्क्वायर 121. So we can write like this way, and it is BC by 15.4 whole square. So both sides square will be ignored here, cancel. So here 11 into BC equal to 8 into 15.4. Now BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. We can cancel this decimal. 8 into 154 by 11, here decimal, and in the table of 11 10 is 110, 11 1 11, 11 4 is 44, 8 into 14 112 by 10. So BC is equal to, due to this point decimal comes here, so 11.2. एक जीरो राइट साइड से 1 काउंट करेंगे डिजिट, so it is the answer. That means this side BC is 11.2 centimeter. It is our answer. So it was the solution of question number 1. Now question number 2 is diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O, and if AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. So first we make trapezium. Trapezium means two sides are parallel and two non-parallel sides. It is the trapezium A, B, C and D. AB parallel to this DC, intersect diagonals. Diagonals means if we joining A to C and B to D, these are two diagonals intersecting at O. So if AB, this AB is equal to CD is given, So find the ratio of triangles, this AOB and this COD. So we write here given trapezium ABCD and here AB parallel to DC. It is the parallel sides, it is two non-parallel sides, so we can say it is the trapezium. First we try to make this, जहाँ भी रेशियो आएगा वहाँ पर हम लोग ट्राइंगल को सिमिलर बनाना पड़ेगा और थ्योरम अप्लाई करेंगे. सो इन ट्राइंगल AOB एंड ट्राइंगल COD, this it is AOB and here this COD, this COD. So first thing here in AOB, this angle and this angle is known as vertically opposite angle. So angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Its name is vertically opposite angles, angle NS angles. Now second thing, एक एंगल तो हम लोग को मिल गया. सेकंड इस ए वो बी को भी ऐसा ही बनाएंगे, वर्टेक्स वो को ऊपर बनाएंगे तो किस टाइप का ट्राइंगल बन जाएगा, ये ट्राइंगल बनेगा. It becomes so, and I am making here, you can see here this triangle OBA, this triangle can be seen like this. If we rotate this triangle, see here, this triangle becomes like this. OB will be here. If we rotate this, इस टाइप का एक ट्राइंगल बन जाएगा ये दोनों ट्राइंगल. सो ये तो अपोजिट ट्राइंगल हो गया, ये वर्टिकली अपोजिट. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज, if two parallel lines and it is intersecting transversal this, that means it is alternate interior angles. So in AOB we can write AB, this angle A, दो बार लगा दिया, ABO, and here ABO, angle ABO इक्वल टू, इसका अल्टरनेट कौन होगा, ये दिस एंगल, इसको अल्टरनेट बोलते हैं ODC, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. दूसरा भी, ये भी इसके अल्टरनेट इसका है, लेकिन दो से काम चल जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट ट्राइंगल AOB सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल COD बाय विच क्राइटेरिया, बाय A सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरियन. इस क्राइटेरिया से क्या हो गया, दोनों सिमिलर हो गया. तो जब सिमिलर हो गया ये, सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर proportional. That means see here, this AB के करस्पॉन्डिंग क्या होगा, this area of two triangles AOB by area of triangle COD. तभी थ्योरम में क्या पढ़ा, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल, उसका स्क्वायर. तो AB का करस्पॉन्डिंग क्या हो गया है, दिस DC या CD, इसका होल स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ AOB by area of COD AB. What is AB? AB is given 2CD. ए बी के प्लेस में 2CD रख दिया, और ये CD के प्लेस में CD एज इट इज. चेक once again. Area of AOB by COD. AB by CD. What is AB? It is given in the question 2CD. AB के प्लेस में 2CD रख दिया, CD एज इट इज रह गया ये. सो CD कैंसिल, 1 पर कैंसिल हो गया ये. 2 को स्क्वायर 4, 1 को स्क्वायर 1. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ AOB by area of COD equal to 4:1, and it is asking ratio. So we write in the form of ratio. Area of AOB is to area of COD is equal to 4:1. It is our required answer. तो इस तरह से इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे.